This is a detailed and critical process. Its purpose is simple though, to take electronic data or Gerber data from the customer and generate the necessary tools and working files so the factory can build the PCB correctly. We also review any specific requirements and ensure that they're followed during production. Failure here can be carried into production and we can potentially build a perfectly wrong PCB. We begin with checking the customer's Gerber files to ensure that they are complete. This involves confirming we have all the necessary files and that the whole files align with the drawings. Mistakes occur quite frequently. In fact, over 30% of the data we receive has some sort of concern that we need to address. We also define the manufacturing instructions. They include both the process steps and the tooling needed to build the PCB in the correct way. Then we take the customer's original Gerber files and generate the working Gerber files. These files are used in the production process to define the circuitry of all copper layers, the solder mask layer with clearance for pads, and programs that outline the correct drilling locations and drill sizes. We have our own PCB specification to guide us on features that might be overlooked in a customer's specification. We also have agreed routines for how the factory should handle customer data. For instance, the factory cannot make any changes from the original files without written approval. Such requests, or engineering questions, or EQs, are always submitted in writing using a standard NCAB EQ template and supported by screenshots through engineering questions, including a suggested solution to ensure that the PCB is built according to requirements.